How to change your birth year on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your birth year on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here click profile information, and now go down until you find your birthday here and click this pin. And now all you need to do is just here you will find your birth year. Just click on it and change it to anything you want and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.